How to find Amazon gift card claim code. The Amazon gift card claim code is a unique code used to redeem the card on your Amazon account. Here's how you can find it depending on the type of gift card. Look on the back of the card. Scratch off the protective coating, if present, to reveal the claim code. Check your email inbox for the email from Amazon containing the gift card. The claim code is printed on the receipt. If it's covered, you may need to scratch off the coating to reveal it. Log into your Amazon account. Navigate to your account and go to your orders section. Find the gift card order and click View Order Details. The claim code may be displayed there if you've purchased it for yourself. If you're unable to locate the code, contact Amazon customer service for assistance. Thanks for watching.